Imagine a car so rare that only four were ever built. A car so valuable that experts believe it's worth over $100 million today. A car so beautiful that many call it the Mona Lisa of automobiles. This is not just a vintage car, this is automotive art. Today we explore the unbelievable story of the 1936 Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic, the rarest, most mysterious, and most valuable classic car in the world. Long before Bugatti became famous for the Veyron and Chiron, the brand was already legendary. Founded by Ettore Bugatti, the company didn't build cars like others. Bugatti built rolling sculptures, machines where engineering and beauty were equally important. In the 1930s, Bugatti was the most prestigious car brand on Earth, and the Type 57 series was its masterpiece. The Atlantic was inspired by a futuristic concept car called the Aerolithe. Because magnesium alloy couldn't be welded, Bugatti engineers used external rivets, creating the iconic center spine running from hood to roof to tail. That spine became the Atlantic's signature. In 1936, Bugatti created the ultimate version, the Type 57 SC Atlantic. Only four were ever built. Even today, the Atlantic looks futuristic. Features include long flowing teardrop body, low roofline, exposed riveted spine, sculpted fenders, aerodynamic shape decades ahead of its time. In the 1930s, no other car looked like this. People didn't just admire it, they stared. Under the hood was a mechanical marvel, 3.3-liter supercharged inline-8, around 200 horsepower, supercharger for high performance, lightweight chassis, rear-wheel drive. In the 1930s, this made the Atlantic one of the fastest cars in the world. Top speed exceeded 120 miles per hour, an unbelievable number for its era. This wasn't just luxury, this was performance. So why is this car possibly the most valuable car in history? Only four built. Handcrafted body. Pre-war engineering excellence. One-of-a-kind design. Historical importance. Impossible to recreate. Collectors believe if one ever sells publicly, it would shatter every auction record ever set. The Bugatti Atlantic isn't treated like a vehicle. It's treated like a Picasso, a Da Vinci, a museum masterpiece. Design schools study it. Collectors protect it. Historians admire it. It represents a time when cars were built by artists, not factories. The 1936 Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic is more than rare, more than expensive. It is the ultimate symbol of elegance, innovation, and craftsmanship. A reminder that once upon a time, cars were not just transportation, they were dreams made of metal.